Good afternoon mga ka-farmers. Today we're gonna pick beans and we have two kinds of beans. We have green beans and yellow beans. So this is our green beans. We have a lot and we picked already nearly a pail. And right guys, we have so many, and right here ang dami-dami talaga. So ayan, marami tayong beans today. And mayroon din tayong yellow beans. So, papakita ko sa inyo ang ating yellow beans. Right here. Look at that. Ang daming bunga. So ayan, look at these guys. See that? Ang daming bunga guys. Marami talagang bunga. Ayan ang ating yellow beans. So makikita ninyo, it's amazing right there. Ganyan ang ating beans. At saka mayroon tayong onions also. Ayan. Thanks for watching. Ang daming na-pick natin guys. 11 pounds. Iwan ko kung makikita ninyo. 11 pounds siya guys. Ang dami. Ayan, yellow and green.